Think all snakes are the same? Not even close. Meet the vipers, nature's masters of camouflage with fangs that fold like pocket knives. Unlike other snakes, vipers don't chase their prey. Instead, they wait in total silence, blending perfectly into their surroundings until the perfect moment to strike with lightning speed. And here's the coolest part. Some vipers can sense heat, almost like having built-in night vision goggles. Creepy or incredible? That's the wild beauty of vipers. And if you love learning about the secret superpowers of animals, subscribe for more Mochi Pets magic.